Hi, my name is Pedro. I'm from Brazil. I'm 20 years old and I'm here in Beijing studying Chinese. The main reason I came to China to learn Chinese is because in Brazil I'm studying foreign trade in the college there, so I need to negotiate, I need to speak Chinese with the Chinese guys, like to have a better price. You know, when I first came here, like I had zero knowledge in Chinese. I was like total beginner. So I think I'm going like well, I'm improving really fast. I'm in the normal program, like group classes, like every day I take 4 hours. I like to meet people from different countries. I like to exchange the culture thing, to speak like other language. So for me it's really cool because like during the class we enjoy the stay, like we have a good time there. So how can I say, I'm easygoing with people. I just want to speak with them, like I just go to them and say, oh, where are you from? How's it going? Which language do you speak? What do you like to do? So I think it's just like, I just try to speak with them, like to be like easygoing. The language is not a barrier, I mean, in China, because normally the Chinese people, they like foreign people. Normally with me, they come to me and try to help me, try to understand and try to speak with me. So we can just add the WeChat and have a conversation. So yeah, it's good. Yeah, I met in the soccer field, soccer pitch. I was like playing soccer, so the guy came to me and asked, "Where are you from?" I'm from Brazil. He said, "Wow, Brazil, Bacidui, Bacidui." And I said, "Yeah, yeah, yeah." And then we started to speak, and like normally I go there like 2 times a week to play with them. So now I'm trying to speak Chinese with them, like because I'm improving. So yeah, that's really cool. They are like, I mean, they are effective people. I don't know, we go to Sulington and we go like to a coffee place or maybe to a restaurant or a bar, and we stay there talking, like talking about Chinese things, about our things, about different things. So yes, I really like Chinese food. Yeah, I really like. I mean, I'm a kind of teenager, so I eat everything. Like I'm hungry all the time, so I like to eat different foods. So for me, it's okay. I don't have problems.